to see which melon can withstand more pressure, either the watermelon or the honeydew. I will wrap rubber bands around the melons until they explode. Whichever one takes more rubber bands to explode, that one can take more pressure. I think the watermelon can take more pressure because it has a thicker rind. I will need rubber bands, a watermelon, and a honeydew. Now we're going to put the rubber bands around the watermelon.
You're like telling me zoom out.
I want to eat it! Now it's time for the honeydew.
Oh!
Hypothesis was correct because the watermelon took more rubber bands to explode than the honeydew.